Chateau de Lalande's Advent Calendar vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video.
So this is a nice little setup, Steph.
Well, I'm easing gently into today's task. I'm super excited about it. Today is wrapping the gifts, which is one of my favourite things always, but so much more so this year because I decided I wanted a medieval theme, and I feel that there's something very jewel-like about medieval paintings and they'll look very beautiful as gift wrapping. And I realised my father has made a medieval style painting, which is in this room right there. And so I had it made into a gift wrap. It's just so gorgeous, I can't believe it.
How did you do that?
I found a company online where I could just upload an image and have it made into wrapping paper. It'll feel so traditional and luxurious.
The thing is, you'll never find wrapping paper like that anywhere. This is a one-off.
Yes, I think it's actually a great idea to create your own unique wrapping paper. Then I got plain red and plain green, because
Classic.
if everything has pattern, it would be too overwhelming. And then the individual beauty of the prints wouldn't stick out. But then I found this wrapping paper, and that's going to be really good for large scale gifts as a bit of a focal point there as well.
That's stunning.
Yeah, so I don't think I've ever been as excited about the wrapping as I am this year.
Well, just the paper alone is a gift in itself.
It is. I hope that they don't just like scrunch it up and throw it in the fire.
Oh, no, they can't do that.
They can keep a little bit and frame it.
Yeah.
I think that's what I might do. Actually.
I might do that too.
If you're getting a present, sorry.
Is
Michael?
it? There's not a gift for me?
What?
Oh.
Well, you'll have to wait and see, won't you? I've chosen a nice big present for Daddy's paper so that we can show it off to its best advantage. And this is great because you can decide on any theme that you want and then just choose a paper or have it printed to fit in with that theme. I may not be a professional wrapper, but I'm doing it with heart. All you need for wrapping is enthusiasm. You want to make sure you get it the right way up, so when this is standing up, the people will be upright. I hate cutting it.
It's some of the nicest wrapping paper I've ever seen.
A pity to unwrap it. The earlier you can get things wrapped and under the tree, the longer you have this joy of bubbling anticipation before the big day. I've got these really nice tartan ribbons because the colours work really well with it. And then we have this sort of tartan ribbon theme tying all of the different papers together. I'm sure this is how they do it in the big shops. If I'm not careful, I'm going to be fiddling with this bow all day. There, I think it's done. I'm happy with that.
It's beautiful.
I wish we had the Christmas tree already so that we could put it underneath. We're not allowed to decorate the Christmas tree yet because every year since I met Michael Potts, this is going to be the 18th Christmas. We have always had Christmas together and we've always decorated the tree together. And I asked him if I could decorate it early for these videos and he said no. He said, yeah, you can, just put the lights on though, not the baubles. So I'm sure you'd all have found that really fascinating. So just before Christmas will be the tree decorating at Lalande.
Is it my turn now?
Your turn. Are you upset that I handed you a mince pie that wasn't at the correct temperature?
It's a cold one. Not good enough. I'm going to try something. Bear with me.
Have you ever done this before?
No.
Is this right up there with putting the rubber ducks inside the bath
I'm
bombs?
going to try and warm the mince pie on the fire. Shall we see if it works? Just try not to drop it.
If it works, and only if it works, will you do mine as well?
Yeah, I'll give that a try.
It's making me want to eat the mince pie even more.
Look at that.
It's quite hot on one side and quite cold on the other, which at least makes it quite interesting. It's like having a mince pie and ice cream all in one go. I see you've set up an entirely new system, not happy with the first mince pies.
Oh, I'm trying to recreate some sort of oven environment.
Look how cute they look in a row. Do you feel as though we've been slightly distracted in our task?
We're meant to be wrapping presents, not stuffing our faces. I want this one.
Okay.
So I know who it's for and I know what's in it.
Ah, you're trying to get mummy on your good side.
No. Not I mean.
Oh!
Here.
I love the fact you're cutting it just along the join. You're going to make an invisible join, aren't you?
I'm
just
trying.
to put me to shame.
I'm trying. I heard the key to good wrapping is to be very sparing with the paper and use just enough. See there, any tape? Can you see tape? I can't see any.
You remind me so much of my father at times.
Really?
Yeah. This is, if my mother and my father had been wrapping presents together, she would have wrapped 30 and he would have wrapped one perfect gift.
Well, that's very true of me. I feel exactly the same way. I'll be here for a week wrapping these presents.
I know!
Do you know what? We might be able to do this.
What is it that we might be able to do?
We might be able to get a lovely scene where you don't see the edge of the paper.
Oh, thank goodness. I was so worried that we wouldn't achieve that.
Well, you wouldn't achieve anything like this.
Oh, what? You're not a man, you're a god. No mere mortal could have done that. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, I would die of excitement on Christmas morning if that was waiting for me under the tree.
There. It just looks like one of the other cushions.
It does. I've made one of the plain ones. What do you think?
It looks gorgeous.
Yeah?
In fact, I really like that one, the red with the tartan. It's pretty.
It's nice, isn't it? I like tartan a lot for Christmas. Just straightening up my ribbon. Wouldn't pass Petherick approval.
No, no one likes a wonky ribbon.
Petherick approval.
A wonky
rating
ribbon.
0. There, done. No wonky ribbon anymore.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay, you did an even better job of it than I did, as always.
I can't fit a rubber duck into a bath bomb. You all know that now. But I can wrap a present.
It's so much better than the one I wrapped. The combination of you and Daddy's wrapping paper, well, it's killer. Killer combo. I just want to stare at the gift. Never mind what's in it. How did you make it so perfect? Oh, look at her.
Gorge, yeah?
Gorge.
Babes.
Well, that's not bad for one evening's work, which we mainly spent eating mince pies rather than wrapping. So imagine these with lots more of the plain wrapped gifts in greens and reds and the dots of jewel-like medieval presents set amongst them under the tree. It's going to be gorgeous, and I'm going to take that medieval theme through to every aspect of Christmas this year. Do you know what we need to distract me from the fact that we can't open the presents?
Okay.
I think we need to play a board game. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Ta-da!
No way! The Peter Rabbit race game! Would you like to try some of this hazelnut liqueur that I got? I think it's really important. Christmas can be overwhelming.
It can, yes.
And then whenever you've done a really good job towards it, to have a little reward by the fire. I'm going to annihilate you. Squirrel nutkins. Cheers. Oh, we've got to do that again.
Again.
We've become real experts at getting nice glasses from the charity shop. May the best animal win.
Slow and steady wins the race, remember that.
Roll!
1.
Mwahaha, great start, Michael. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look how happy she is.
Yeah, well, watch out for that fox, Jemima.
Oh, it's getting nasty.
Because I'm getting close now, you see, and you're scared.
Horrible. Neck and neck.
Oh, no.
Neck,
And
neck.
I was so far behind, look.
We both need one to win. Look at triumphant nutkins.